corner. Were they punished in the corner means very simple that were they also given punishment to stand in the corner when they were children and when they were making mistakes. Generally teachers give this punishment to the students in the class. So students को जो class में punishment teacher देता है, same way the here the child is just imagining that कि was this case with the teacher as well when they were children. मतलब क्या जब टीचर भी बच्चे थे, जब एज ए स्टूडेंट वो भी स्कूल जाते थे, तो क्या उनको भी ये पनिशमेंट मिलता था, कॉर्नर में खड़ा होना पड़ता था when they pinched the flake of flake chocolate flake. चॉकलेट का फ्लेक मीन्स होता है स्टूडेंट, फ्लेक मीन्स अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग. Flake means I just repeat, flake means small part of something. So generally what happens, generally we just take or steal. The pinch word has also come in this line, pinch means here students, pinch means steal. Pinch का मतलब यहाँ पे है steal, मतलब चुराना. So same thing the poet is just describing here, that were they uh, punished in the corner when they pinched a chocolate flake. जब वो चॉकलेट का थोड़ा सा हिस्सा चुरा लेते थे किसी का, तो क्या उनको भी ये सजा मिलती थी कॉर्नर में खड़ा होने की. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा स्टूडेंट्स. Did they ever lose their hymns book? Hymns means students, hymns are the prayer generally sung or generally no sung for the praise of the God. जो हम गॉड के लिए जो प्रेयर प्रार्थना करते हैं, that means hymns. So generally here again like children sometimes they forget to bring their hymns book, prayer book लाना भूल जाते हैं. So similarly the same way same thing is mentioning, the poet is mentioning students, वो यही चीज मेंशन कर रहा है कि क्या हमारी तरह कभी टीचर्स भी जब बच्चे थे, so did they ever lose their no lose their hymns book, मतलब क्या उनकी hymns book जैसे हम लोग खो देते हैं, तो क्या वैसे हमारी तरफ अपनी hymns book उनकी भी खो जाती थी जैसे बच्चों की खो जाती है. Did they ever leave their greens here means students green vegetables, green greens means here green vegetables. So the here the poet is just mentioning that did they also leave means कई बार सब्जी जो होती है या जो खाते समय जो हम जनरली द चिल्ड्रन डोंट लाइक द ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, सो दे लीव इट, उसको क्या करते हैं छोड़ देते हैं. सो सेम वे द पोएट इज just thinking that was with the case with the teachers as well, that when they were children did they also leave the greens, क्या वो भी अपनी सब्जी छोड़ देते थे हमारी तरफ. Same thing is comparing. Did they scribble on the desktops generally as a child when no out of our you can say not no out of our naughtiness or out of our naughty behavior we sometimes we scribble means write something somewhere, kuch likhna. So they scribble on the desk, generally child or children when where they sit on the desk they write something on it, उसपे क्या कर देते हैं कुछ लिख देते हैं. So same way the poet here is just comparing the teacher with him, that were when the teachers were children did they also scribble something on the desk, क्या वो भी जब टीचर भी जब बच्चे थे तो क्या अपने डेस्क पे कुछ स्क्रिबल कुछ राइट या लिखते थे. डिड दे वियर ओल्ड डर्टी जीन्स, और क्या हमारी तरह जब हम बच्चे थे तो डर्टी जीन्स पहनते थे, तो क्या टीचर्स भी कभी कभी डर्टी जीन्स हमारी तरह पहनते थे. Now I will follow one back home today. Now here the poet is just saying that poet is representing himself as a school going child, school going students, and now he is telling that today I will follow one back home. It means today I will go to one's teacher's home, मैं एक टीचर से घर आज जाऊंगा. I will find out what they do, और मैं ये भी पता करूंगा what the teachers do. जब वो घर पे जाते हैं तो मैं ये पता करूंगा कि वो क्या करते हैं. Then I will put it in a poem. Then I will put it in a poem and I will write a poem about it. I will write a poem about the teachers activity. Teachers की activity के बारे में मैं क्या करूंगा, एक poem भी लिखूंगा कि what generally they do at home. Now students, that they can read to you, and now the same poem he will ask the teachers or he will put on the notice boards so that the teachers read for the students. Teachers क्या करें, वो students के लिए पढ़ें. So again, many of you must have joined late, so again I'm going to repeat this poem. I'm going to just summarize it quickly for you. In this chapter, in this poem, students, where do all teachers go? The poet Peter Dixon has just described the curiosity of a child, school going child, that what does that child or what does he thinks about it teachers, वो टीचर के बारे में क्या सोचता है. So as a child you can also relate yourself, students, that you have always something, some, you just think differently about your teachers. So many things are there about your teacher that you want to know, आप जानना चाहते हैं. And what is their routine, do they live the common people live, क्या वैसे ही हो रहते हैं जैसे common people रहते हैं. So same things, no, as a child, the poet has described in this poem as a child. So let's again, I'm going to divide this poem. Those who did not understand, listen again carefully. Then we will start discussing its question answer. इसके बाद हम इसका question answer discuss करेंगे. So the very first stanza I am going to describe again. Those who joined late, those who couldn't understand, you can see it again. Where do all teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? In the very first stanza, in the first two lines, the poet is just telling and wanting to know where do all teachers go when the school is over around 4 o'clock. 4 बजे के बाद teachers जो है वो कहाँ जाते हैं? Do they live in houses? Do they wash their socks like a general people when they go their home? They get into the casual dress. They just clean their socks. So same way, the child is imagining that is this case with the teacher as well? Do they also do the same work? क्या वो भी वही काम करते हैं? Go to the home, live in the houses, and they also wash their socks. क्या ये काम teacher भी करता है? Again in the next stanza he is saying that do they wear pajama? It means students generally what happens when we just put off our formal dress, get into the casual dress. So same thing the child is saying that does a teacher also wears pajama? It means get into the casual dress after going home, घर जाने के बाद. And do they also watch TV like a general people when they come from their work? जब वो काम से आते हैं, they generally watch TV with the family के साथ TV देखते ही हैं. So same thing he is thinking about the teacher, that does a teacher as well wear the pajama after going home, watch the TV? Did they also pick their noses? Do they also pick their noses? Means clean their noses, and like the same way you and me, जैसा कि बच्चे clean करते हैं अपना nose, क्या teacher भी वैसे nose clean करते हैं? So it's quite very we can say very innocent feeling, very innocent just things he wants to know, and just curiosity as a child has. Just he wants to know about his teachers, that what generally they do after going home or after the school hours. So let's see the next stanza, students. Do they live with the other peoples? Again same thing happening, that as a child you go home, at home you find that your father is there, mother is there, grandmother is there, brother, sister. So similarly the child is thinking that is this the case with the again teacher, that they have family members as well? It means they live with other people, have the moms, dads, क्या उनके भी moms, dads होते हैं? Were they ever children? Now here the poet again now thinking that as a child, were they ever children? क्या teacher भी कभी बच्चे थे? Were they ever made mistakes? It means were they ever bad? Bad means naughty. क्या हमारी तरह कभी वो भी बच्चे थे? हमारी तरह क्या वो कभी भी naughty, उतने ही naughty थे जितने हम बच्चे की तरह हैं? Now see the next stanza, students. Did they ever never spell right? Spell right, I discussed that. It means did they ever mistakes while writing or while in the spelling? Did they ever made mistakes? क्या वो कभी गलती करते थे? Were they punished in the corner? Now here as a children, sometimes what happens, you just steal the flake of chocolates. Yeah, chocolates flake means students small part of chocolates. चॉकलेट का छोटा सा हिस्सा, फ्लेक का मतलब मैंने बताया था. और पिंच मींस क्या होता है? चुराना. सो हियर एज ए चाइल्ड जनरली वी हैव टेंडेंसी टू स्टील समवन चॉकलेट्स फ्लेक, मतलब थोड़ा सा हम जो हिस्सा होता है चॉकलेट क्या कर लेते हैं? चुरा लेते हैं. सो सेम थिंग द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट कि when the teachers were children, did they also do the same thing? क्या वो भी ये काम करते थे? It means they pinch the flake, chocolate flake. क्या वो किसी का चॉकलेट फ्लेक चुराते थे? And were they punished in the corner for the same? Punished in the corner means students they were made to stand in the corner. क्या उनको भी कॉर्नर में खड़ा किया जाता होगा जब वो बच्चे होंगे और चोरी करते होंगे? In the next stanza, did they ever lose their hymns books? क्या उनकी भी कभी हाइम्स की जो बुक होती है, प्रार्थना की बुक होती है, वो भी कभी खो जाती थी? डिड दे एवर लीव ग्रीन्स? ग्रीन्स मींस ग्रीन्स वेजिटेबल्स। क्या वो अपनी भी सब्जी जो वेजिटेबल्स थी वो भी छोड़ देते थे, मतलब पूरा नहीं खाते थे, जैसे जनरली जो बच्चे हैं वो पूरा नहीं खाते? Did they scribble on the desktop? Scribble means, I had told you, scribble means होता है to write something, कुछ लिखना. So did they also scribble on the desk means did they also used to write or write on the desk? क्या वो हमारी तरह भी कुछ desk पे लिखते थे? Did they also use wear? Did they also wear dirty old jeans? क्या वो भी पुरानी jeans, गंदी jeans पहनते थे हमारी तरह? Now here in the last stanza, the poet is saying that today I will follow one teachers and I will find out what they do at home. मैं टीचर्स के घर जाऊंगा, जो भी टीचर्स हैं, और पता करूंगा कि वो क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं. Then I will put it into a poem. मैं उसमें पोयम में सारी एक्टिविटी को पोयम बनाऊंगा, उस पे पोयम लिखूंगा. And then I will that they will read to you, or I will ask the teachers to read for the children. So this was the very wonderful poem, very simple poem, you can say, students. Just in this, the Peter Dixon has described the curiosity of a student or a child, you can say rather, who wants to know about his teachers after what they do after the school hours. So I hope you understood this poem. It was very simple. We will discuss its question answer. But before this, if you have not understood anything, let me know. Then we will start discussing its question answers. So is there any problem regarding the poem?
अपने आप ही हो रहा है भाई. हम ये पापा ये तो पूरा.
कौन बात कर रहा है? शिवम. Students, do you want to ask anything? Were you able to understand the poem? Poem समझ में आया आप लोगों को?
Yes sir, समझ में आया.
Okay, poem.
Yes,
very good.
समझ में आ गया.
Okay, it's now
बहुत
time.
अच्छा इजी पोएम था.
Yes, easy poem था. So now it's time to discuss its question answer. Question answer discuss कर लिया जाए. See the first question.
Sir,
Someone read the first question.
where does the poet went to the know where the teacher
Want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock.
4
Okay,
o'clock.
okay. Many of you just reading at the same time, so I'm unable to understand. So you all listen the first question. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? Why does poet want to know where the teachers go at the 4 o'clock? So he just want to know because he thinks that his teacher is someone special and he considers them something special, and therefore he wants to know about the teachers activity. टीचर्स की एक्टिविटी के बारे में क्या करना चाहता है? जानना चाहता है
They want to know the activities of teachers.
Yes, activity of teachers after the school hours. That is why he wants to go. Want to know what teachers, where teachers go after 4 o'clock. Second question, students. What are the normal things people do?
What are the things normal people to do that
That they live in the houses, they wash their socks, they get into the
They watch TV.
race, they watch.
They,
So these are the normal things. The poet.
sir, they wear old dirty jeans.
Yes.
They wear old dirty jeans.
Old dirty jeans. It's not about the normal people. It's about the child. When he was comparing the teacher with the child. So we cannot write that. We can only write wearing pajama, washing socks, and also cleaning their nose. Okay.
Watching TV.
Is it clear?
They're watching TV.
Yes. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Second answer.
Yes, sir.
There are 4 small questions. There in the third question. Where teachers live? So where teachers live?
House.
In
their houses.
Yes. What they do at home?
In their houses.
Teachers live in open space.
In their houses.
Space.
Yes, sir. In their houses.
Someone is saying yes, sir. In space, they live in the space. Sivesh, are you speaking? They also live, they are human being. Teachers are also human being. They also live in their houses. So next
Yes, sir.
question. What they do at home? What the poet is just imagining as a child that what they do at home?
Sir, watching TV.
Watching TV, washing,
At home,
They wear pajamas.
cleaning their nose.
they wash their socks.
So these are the things which have been mentioned by the
Sir, they
poet.
wash their socks.
Are you able to understand what you need to write in this answer?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the third question. The people with whom they live, with whom they live,
With their moms.
with their parents and the other member of the family, you can write with their
Family.
parents and other member of the family they live. Very good. Their activities when they were children in the school, their activities, remember, we do not need to write what they do at home. We need to write here what were their activities when they were children. So what were their activities?
Sir,
Yes,
wear old dirty jeans. Sir, in the classroom
Sir,
playing.
did they ever make,
Sir, they
did
were
they ever make
naughty.
mistake in spelling? Were they ever punished for stealing the chocolate? Did they ever lose their hymns book? Did they ever write scribble on the desk? So all these you need to
Sir,
write.
Did they wear old jeans?
green
Sivesh
vegetables.
को-
They were old
Sivesh को
dirty
old jeans
jeans.
बहुत पसंद है. बार he just repeating that old jeans. We are old jeans. It means you wear old jeans. Definitely I know. So now, are you able to understand what you need to write in this answer of this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk about the next question, fourth question. Why does poet wonder if teachers also do the things that people do, other people do? Wonder means surprised. Why his poet is surprised, or why he just not unable to believe that teacher does the same thing like the other people do? So why it is so? Because I'm giving the answer of this question because I think it's little bit tricky. So students, as a teacher is someone who teaches the students in the class, so he is very special for them because no one is there in the society, no one is there in the family members like who can teach them like a teacher. So they always think about teacher someone very special. So he believes that if the teacher is someone, they definitely must be different, their activities must be different. So that is why he thinks that, or he is unable to believe that teacher must be not doing the all common things which are done by the common people.
सर आप जो चैप्टर पढ़ा है सर उसे तुरंत पे भेज दीजिएगा.
तुमको बस आंसर ही लिखने से मतलब है शिवम गुप्ता. What I am saying, you don't need to understand. बस भेज दीजिएगा, मैं भेज दूंगा, तुम लिख लेना. क्या मतलब, मैं भेजूंगा, मैं समझाने के बाद भी भेजूंगा, और आप नहीं भी समझोगे फिर भी भेजूंगा. कॉपी करना तो आसान ही है, कॉपी कर लोगे. Again students, what I am trying to say in this, as a child, as a children thinks, no, when they think teacher is someone very special, reason is very simple, that teacher teaches the students, and this is something no one else can do, और कोई नहीं कर सकता है. So he always has a curiosity feeling that teacher must be doing something different work, some different work. They must be living at the different places. So that is why he is not able to believe, or you can say right, that he wonders that teachers do the same things done by the common peoples. I hope you understood this answer. Answer समझ में आई है? और I should say it again. दोबारा explain करूं? Should I explain it again, or you are able to understand?
सर समझ गए.
Aman Gupta,
एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
first you just see the question again. Question क्या है पहले वो समझो. See the question. Why does poet wonder if the teachers also do things that people do? It means students here it's quite simple that teacher is someone not very common. They are not like a common people. So if teacher is something very special for students, so he wonders that why does Kamlesh Maurya, Kamlesh Maurya, Kamlesh Maurya, can you hear me? Mute yourself, otherwise don't speak. So here students, in this you can answer like this, that teacher is someone very special for the students or a child. That is why he wonders that a teacher do the same things done by the common peoples, because he as a child does not think teacher as a someone very common. He thinks that teacher is a someone very special for him because he teaches him, and this job is something cannot be done by someone else. Let's talk about the fifth question, students. How does the poet plan to find out what he will do once he finds out? It's very easy questions. Answer is also very easy. So is there anyone who can answer these questions? इसका कोई answer बता देगा? What does poet plan to find out?
Poet follow one teacher.
Yes, he will follow one teacher. He plans to follow one teachers or follow the teachers. And what he will do once he finds out, what he will do in the last stage of study?
Activity.
He will write such activity
He will write the activities in the poem.
in a poem, and teacher can read for the
And
students. Okay, fine. You are able to understand. I will also send its answers, so don't worry. Let's talk about the last questions. What do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punished in the corner. Punished in the corner means? Can anyone explain it? What is the meaning of punished in the corner?
in the corner. Standing in the corner.
When the teacher punishes, when the student is punished in the corner, it means they are made to stand in the corner. They are made to stand in the corner because they have committed mistake. Leave
But
the
if they finish the chocolate,
leave their greens means leave their greens.
Leave green vegetables.
Green vegetable.
Leave their
Okay, fine.
green vegetables.
So is there any doubt now? Are you able to understand its poem properly? This poem properly?
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we will study the sixth chapter of your honeysuckle book, Who I Am. It's very important chapter. This chapter is something for you. आप लोगों के लिए है, because you will come to know about yourself. कल आपको अपने बारे में पता चलेगा that what you will become in futures. कल आप लोग जान जाएंगे कि आप फ्यूचर में क्या बनेंगे. How you will know, it will be only revealed tomorrow. कल ही पता चलेगा. So till then, students, have a good day. Thank you very much.